Hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of It's Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and today I've got one that I don't know a heck of a lot about. This is King's Noodle, and it's like a special Chongqing taste, special golden pea, like green peas, like mushy peas, but specialty. And there's a lot in this box. So the instructions are very slim. What we got here? Here's something pickled. Here's something. This maybe is the peas. This is some kind of pickled. This I am thoroughly like, what is that? I think it's wheat gluten, and I think I want to put that in with the noodles. I'm pretty sure. What's in here? Now I gotta open this up to actually see what's in it, because it's not just... Oh my god, look. There's 2 sachets inside this sachet. These guys went overboard on the packaging. There's another one. Yeah, we got a lot of stuff here. How long to cook these noodles? I don't know. I really can't tell. And on the box info, oh boy. Is there any numbers? It shows putting something in. Oh, okay. Gosh, that does look soupy-ish. It's like none of the pictures I've seen of it, I have to like, so basically we got a ton of Chinese varieties right before Lunar New Year. And we went to this one place called Asian Family Market down in, it's on Highway 99 and 130th and Aurora, I think that would be it. They look like a nice little straight noodle. These won't take long to cook, that's for sure. And I'm just gonna watch them. There's like nothing on it saying how long to cook them for. This though, I'm gonna crack this open. I think this is fried wheat gluten, and I think this needs cooked. I'm either right or I'm wrong, and if I'm wrong, that sucks, but boy, it really doesn't want to open, does it? You don't want to work with me. Come on now. You gotta work with me. Oh my god. Haha. You gonna open up? No. Check it out. Now it's going to be like impossible to open. Whoa, don't boil over. I'm really not in the mood for that today. Is it wheat gluten or is it sesame seeds? I am at such a loss with this. It smells like peanut powder. You know, let's see what it tastes like. This has got to be peanut powder. That's peanut. Yeah, that is not going in with that. All right, cool. Ground up peanut, very nice. Give this a stir. I'm sure this is like 1 or 2 minutes. It looks like what you do is you cook it, and then you are supposed to add everything to a bowl and then stir it all up. But I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cook it, drain it, and then add everything in, and then stir it up. because I'm really not 100% on anything that's going on here. This is something pickled. This is some liquid. This is boiling over. That looks like bamboo shoot. I could be wrong. It could be pickled radish? I doubt it. And these noodles are done. All right. Noodle. Okay, let's get to it. So I'm gonna put in this peanut mix first because I don't want it to spill all over the place. So there's our peanuts. Have you ever had peanuts from Asia? They definitely have a much different consistency. There's boiled peanut, which is definitely a regular Asian thing. And then there's peanut that you just get like in a bag. And it's drier. They don't like, they just do it different. And I like it. And then nuts coming out of India. Those are a little different too. There's so many little intricacies and differences in the foods of the world. I love it. Wow, what is this stuff? It smells meaty. I know it's not meaty. There is no meat. What we got here? Is this our... I have no idea. This is our pea mixture. The golden wonder pea mixture. And we've got this sachet. Oh my God, there's so many. People every once in a while will ask me, it's like, which one has the most? It's like, oh, you know, a lot of people immediately go, oh, Indomie has 5. It's like, I've gotten Chinese varieties that have like 11 in them before. It's really quite something. It goes from being like an instant quick meal product to like, here's your recipe, here's everything. What's that? Oh, that's weird. I think that might be sesame paste. I'm really unsure. And then we got one more. This looks like possibly a spicy mix. Chili bag. That's what they're calling this one. I believe this is the only one with any English on it, too. Alright. Let's stir. Whoa. Well, hi, Mimi.
Hi.
How you doing?
Good.
You having a good morning?
Yeah.
It's Fun Friday.
Yeah.
Fantastic Friday.
Yeah.
Whoa, donkey. Right?
Yeah.
So what are you doing?
I'm watching some Ryan.
Oh, your buddy Ryan. Cool. All right. Well, I'll be out there in a minute. We'll have some lunch and go. Let me finish up. Hot stuff in the kitchen, cutie. And then go to school. Yeah. All right. Well, let's... I guess we better taste it. That smells really good. I'm getting like a strong cumin hit off of this too. There's the noodle. Oh wow. Here's one of those special peas. Wow, I am very impressed with this. Oh, wow. Yep, there's Szechuan pepper going on. And it's in a nice way. Wow, this is okay. So I'll tell you right now, this is 5 stars. This is like probably of all the ones that I've gotten that were from that Lunar New Year pre-thing, that's the best one. It's super, super nummy. Okay. Let's see how we're gonna pull this off. Yeah, we'll go like that. It smells really good, and it tastes really good too. I gotta say, this one is a surprise because everything has just been so overwhelmingly Szechuan pepper lately, and this one not so much. And I gotta say, that makes me happy. Here's some a little bit of scallion. Seeds. I don't know what else I would do to this, honestly. About there. About there. How about there? Yes. All right, well, that was the third one of the day, but I'm gonna do one more. Yeah. This is Meteor Noodle from Asha. It says Meteor Noodle with fried sauce. It showed up yesterday. I'm fascinated. I'm gonna give this a go. And yeah, that'll be the next episode you see most likely. Or if they're like, please, can you play it? Can you do it earlier? I'll do it earlier, I don't care. Anyways, it's been Hans the Ramen Reader, wishing you good health, happiness, and wonderment all the time. Bye-bye.